Hello students, we are doing chapter number 17, data handling, exercise 17.4. This exercise is based on probability. So first we will discuss what is the probability and then its related terms. So probability means the measure of uncertainty. In our day-to-day life, many times we will get condition when we are not sure about our answer. For example, if you have toss a coin, then before only you cannot tell what will come, head will come or tail will come. So these type of conditions will come under uncertainty. So measure of this uncertainty is called as probability. And related terms are there few. First is experiment. Experiment means an action which result in some outcome. So same example we can take tossing a coin. If you toss a coin, definitely one result will come. It may come head or it may come tail. So tossing a coin is a experiment. Next term is random experiment. If any experiment is having more than one possible outcome, then we will call it as a random experiment. Third related term we have event. Event is the collection of outcomes of an experiment. So in the last example we have taken tossing a coin. So that if you toss a coin you will get head or tail. So head and tail together are the event here. Fourth, we have the occurrence of an event when outcome satisfies the condition mentioned in the event. So for example, if we are tossing a coin and we have taken condition occurrence of head. So if head will come, then that is the occurrence of head, and if tail is coming, then it is not the occurrence of event. Fifth related terms is favorable outcome which we need. So if we have think about getting a head, then if we got head, the getting head is the favorable outcome. And finally we have formula to find out the probability. To find out the probability of any event, we have to use number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. Now we will start exercise 17.4, question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible to happen, can happen but not certain. So here few conditions are given and we have to check these conditions, whether these conditions are possible, impossible or can happen but not certain. So first is given, you are older today than yesterday. So obviously today we are older than yesterday, so it means this condition is certain to happen. Second, 200 people can sit a Maruti car. So this is not possible. 200 people cannot sit in a car. So this we will write impossible. To happen. Third, a tossed coin will land heads up. So when we will toss a coin, it may come head or tail. So this will come under can happen but not certain. Fourth one, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. So we know on a die numbers are 1 to 6. So 8 cannot come in any condition. So this is impossible to happen. Next, India will win the next series. So this will come under can happen but not certain. Next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So for tomorrow also we cannot guess before only. So we can write here can happen. It may be tomorrow a cloudy day, but it is not certain. Last one, the next traffic light seen will be green. So next traffic light also we cannot guess before only. So this will also come under can happen but not certain. Next question number 2. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game. What is the probability that your team will start the game? So first we will find out the number of favorable outcome. So suppose if our team has decided to take head, so number of favorable outcome will be 1 here. So if when we will toss the coin, one time head or tail will come. And number of total outcomes are 2. It may be head or it may be tail. So probability of getting favorable outcome, probability of event is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. So favorable outcomes are here 1 and total outcomes are 2. So probability is 1 by 2. Next question number 3. There are 6 marbles in a box with number 1 to 6 marked on them. What is the probability of drawing a number with number 5? Drawing a marble with number 5. And second, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So first we will see the total possible events. Total events are, if you will take, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, because 1 to 6 we have written on the marble and we have kept in box. So we have total 6 possibilities here. So number of total outcomes is equal to 6. Now number of favorable outcomes for first condition. According to the first condition, we need a marble with number 5. So only one condition is there. Only at one marble 5 is written. So only one favorable outcome is there. Therefore, probability for this event, or you can write marble with number 5 is number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. Favorable outcome is here only 1 and total are 6. So answer is 1 by 6. Second condition, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So probability of drawing a marble with number 2, again number of favorable outcome 2 is written only at one marble. So only one condition is there and total condition is same 6. So this is also 1 by 6. Next question number 4. A die is tossed once. Find the probability of getting a number less than 3, a prime number, and third a number greater than 2. So total outcomes will be 1 to 6. On a die it is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 faces are there. So number of total outcomes are here 6. It may come 1, 2, 3 or up to 6. Then first condition, a number less than 3. So we will check according to this. We have only two number less than 3, 1 and 2. So favorable outcomes are here 2. So probability of getting a number less than 3 is total favorable outcomes are 2 and total outcomes are 6. Now we can cancel out this 2 1 are 2 and 2 3 are 6. So answer is 1 by 3. Second condition, to getting a prime number. So we have to check here how many prime numbers are there. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So total we have 3 prime number out of 6. So after cancellation we will get 1 by 2. So probability of getting a prime number is 1 by 2. Third, we have to find out a number greater than 2. Probability of getting a number greater than 2. So greater than 2 we have here 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 numbers are there greater than 2 and out of 6. Here also we have to cancel 2 2 are 4 and 2 3 are 6. Always write your answer in the standard form. So answer is 2 by 3. Next question number 5. A box contains 3 defective and 21 good mangoes. One mango is drawn from the box at random. Find the probability of getting a defective mango and second one a good mango. So here total first we have defective mangoes 3 and good 21. So total are 24 mangoes are there. First part we have to find out the probability for getting a defective mango. So defective mango we have 3 out of 24 mangoes. Now cancel out 3 1 ja and 3 8 ja. So answer is 1 by 8. Then second part, to find out a good mango. Total 21 good mangoes are there out of 24. Here also we can cancel 3 7 ja and 3 8 ja. So answer is 7 by 8. Next question number 6. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting a red card, a king and a card of spade. So in a pack of playing card, total we are having 52 cards. From these 52, 26 are red and 26 are black. These red again divided into two groups. First group is diamond and another group is heart. Again this black one also divided into two parts, club and spade, and each one is having these 13 different cards, one king, one queen, one jack, one ace and then 2 to 10 number. Total will be 13 card. Now first we have to find out the probability of a red card. So total we are having 26 red cards out of 52 cards. You can cancel out it and you will get 1 by 2. Second one, probability of getting a king. So one king is here, one king will get in this group, one here and one here. Total are 4 kings out of 52. This also you can cancel, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 1 ja and 3 ja. So 1 by 13. Third one, probability of a card of spade. So spade is this group and each group is having 13 cards. So here 13 spades are there out of 52. Cancel 31 ja 13 4 ja. So 1 by 4 is your answer. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.